Very good. We are the team, the Matt Slate.
And today we will talk about graphing a 2 by 2 system of equations.
What it is? The graphical representation of 2 by 2 system of linear equation corresponds to two lines in the Cartesian xy plane. The system has a wing solution of the lines intersect at a point xy, which is the solution of this system.
The first step in using the graphical method is to assign a value to x. The value will always be assigned to it is 0. To then make the clearance, and the formula will be like this. 3 times 0 minus 2, y equals minus 2. If 2 times 0 gives us 0, it is automatically eliminated and the formula will look like this. Negative 2 equals negative 2. Next, the 2 that is multiplied will go to the other side by dividing, and the formula will look like this. And it's equal to negative 2 over negative 2. What it gives us 1 positive. When x is 0, y is 1. Now we will assign the value of 0 and solve the same formula, and we will be left like this. 3x minus 2 times 0 equals negative 2. When performing the formula, we will end up looking like this. 3x is equal to negative 2. Later, we will pass the 3 by dividing by negative 2, which gives us minus 0.6. Now it's time to solve this second equation that says like this. X plus y equals 6, as 0 will be given to the value of x. Therefore, the x will be automatically removed and we will obtain the value of y, which is 6. Now we will set y to 0 to rewrite the same formula, and we will be left with the following way. X plus 0 equals 6. Automatically, the 0 is eliminated and the x will be equal to 6. We put the values in the table and then we will graph. To graph, we will look by a Cartesian plane as it is, and then values in the table help us identify the coordinates. We will start by placing the first point at x0 and y1. In the second point, it will be placed at the points x minus 0.6 and y0. Now the points will be joined by a line. For the second line, the second table will be used, which indicates 0, x, and y6, where the first point will be placed, and x6 and y0, where the second point will be placed, and then join the points with a line. If the lines do not intersect, you can enlarge the short line in the direction of the line. If the lines do not intersect, you can enlarge the shorter line in the direction of the other line, but without modifying its coordinates. And that crucial point will be our x and y values. The coordinate y being the value of y, while the coordinate x is the value of x. And the final result will be x equals 2 and y equals 4. Now, let's look at the second sample.
The formula that will be used will be equation 1 dx minus 9d equals negative 1. Equation 2 x plus 7y and equals a negative 5. We will begin to classify a 0 to value of x, and automatically the x will be eliminated, which will leave of negative and 9 and equal to negative 1. I will be past late 9 dividing and in wages of 0.1. The value of g will not be assigned at 0. We solve the fourth and pass the 10bd, which gives of minus 0.0. Now we will solve the second formula. We assign 0 to the value of x in it substituted, and we will be left with 7 equal to minus 5 to let pass the 5bdv of less 5, which gives of minus 0.7, and I will be place of the tail. We repeat the same process with the equal to 0. We substitute what whole y of x is equal to negative 5. It is placed in the table and the graph is made. We locate the x coordinate 0 and 0 x point 1, where the first point will be placed. Then we locate the x coordinate minus 0.1 is 0, where the next point will be placed, and then join the width of line. Now we identify the following 0 x coordinate g leaks 7. We place a point until we will join the line at the following coordinates. x0 minus g leaks 0.7 and x minus 5 is 0. Now we locate the crossing point that we have of the value of x equal to 0.6 and g 0.62.